Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I smash it into like this so that it's nicer to eat. This normal cookies, Oreo, just mash it into this. Put the mochi skin into a thing like this and then start applying the cream.
Usually put inside?
Depends actually.
Like do you have a set or you see your mood?
Yeah. So you just wrap it using this way.
So if you were to wrap it for me, how much would you put inside?
Everything.
So generous.
Yeah. I won't be gamsiap on my feeling one. I want to make sure everyone can, enjoy it. Yeah. And then to avoid it sticks on the paper, I will put some flour into this. Yeah, so that's the mochi. It's done. This, yeah.
Nice.
See, we are very generous with our filling. We won't even measure like how many grams to put it into one mochi, or the size of one mochi is how many grams or anything.
So whoever's lucky, then lucky you lah.
Yeah.
Whoever's not lucky, then
But then most of them actually looks the same, like the size and everything. It's about this size for one.
Celine's hand for measure, it's around, I don't know, how big.
Yeah. Maybe you should help me.
Huh?
You can try helping me.
Me? Help
Yeah,
you?
this one. It's not that hard.
Okay. Guide me then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we first started off putting into that thing first.
Onto the cup.
Yeah.
Okay.
So make sure everything is fitted. You see, you can just move it so it doesn't fall off.
Okay, so spread it out a bit.
Yeah.
Right.
And then you can start applying the
cream.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that high.
Maybe more.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
It just goes to show that I'm not generous with my feeling.
Yeah.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
am I doing this right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Then wrap it.
Okay, how do I
You can start it off here like this.
Okay.
See? Yeah. And then you start doing that.
the same motion?
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And turn.
And then turn like this.
Yeah. It's right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. To make sure to close it,
Okay.
make it tight so it doesn't.
Or just pinch.
Yeah, it's quite nice
Okay.
for the first time. Then put it. Yeah, and then it's done. Your first mochi.
Mama gave birth to first mochi. 你個仔生咗個 mochi 出嚟。You know what? I'm gonna eat it right now.
Yeah.
Chừng tài đoạn quá tới rồi. Bây giờ tôi cho con. Con nào con khác.
Yeah lah.
出邊 mochi 檔你玩完啦，我識整 mochi 咗啦，你哋執笠啦。
Maybe you should try.
Oh, should try eating
Yeah.
one right now. Okay.
This is like fresh.
I mean, fresh is better. I mean, look at how soft it is.
How was it?
係真係好食喎。
是啊。
係喎，新鮮出嚟真係好食又好彈牙。
I like it like this.
Yeah.
We eat it fresh, but some people, they prefer to eat it like an ice cream.
Frozen 啊。
Yeah.
Frozen. No, but fresh is nice. No wonder you say cookies and creams are the best.
Yeah, the best seller.
Hold on. Oh my god, I just realized. I just ate without paying.
No lah, it's okay. Oh my god. You can just take it home.
Right, so thank you so much for showing me how to make mochi, and wow, I mean, I've had a few and it's really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and like the video as well. And also, most importantly, do not forget to follow her Instagram page at
Eat with Mocho.
which I'm gonna display right here again. So,
Again.
alright, so thank you very much.
Welcome. Ta-da!
Damn cringy, man.
Yeah lor, show me.